how to use Praktika AI full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Praktika AI. So first of all, you have to download and install from App Store or Google Play. It's like rated 4.8 to 4.9 stars, and then you have to sign up and choose your native and target languages and set your learning goal like travel, business, academic, and prefer daily practice time, typically 20 minutes. And after that, you have to meet your AI tutor avatar. You will be assigned a lifetime AI avatar tutor with natural voice, lip sync, and cultural background. Choose accents from American, British, Australian, etc. via the avatar menu. And after that, you have to engage to a conversation lessons like engage in role play dialogues tailored to your goal like travel scenarios, job interviews, daily conversations, practice speaking aloud, and receive real-time pronunciations feedback, including grammar tweaks. And you can use word of the day for quick vocabulary boosts. Upload photos, PDFs, voice notes, or resumes to spark personalized conversations and corrections. Review your lessons and download transcripts via the progress section. And after that, you can also track progress like view fluency, stats, stakes, and lesson history in your profile. Adjust your goals by resetting onboarding if needed. Feature coming soon. And the pricing is free to download and simple basic lessons, and subscription unlocks unlimited conversations, advanced feedbacks, and avatar access, all cheaper than one-on-one tutors. And let me give you some pro tips for success like be consistent, switch accents, use real life content, and replay and refine. And some translation limits exist on free version like premium removes them, and users of languages like Japanese Note and AI may not perfect catch pitch accents use as a supplement, not troll resources. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.